Hello! Today, we will be making English peas with mint. For this recipe, you can use fresh or frozen peas. Today, we will use frozen. First, peel the skin off of the onion. Then, cut the onion in fairly thin slices. For this recipe, you can use spring or yellow onion. Next, tear or chop 6 mint leaves. Wash the leaves if they don't come pre-washed. Over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onion. Measure 2 cups of peas. And add to pan. Then stir. Add a pinch of salt and enough water to barely cover. Cook over high heat for 2 minutes. Then add the mint leaves. Continue cooking until the peas are tender, just a few more minutes. Taste and add more salt if needed. Once done cooking, serve and enjoy.